Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to cook chicken biryani in instant pot. Let's start cooking. We have 1 pound of chicken breast cubed, around 1 inch cubed. We have 1.5 cup of long grain basmati rice. You can use Sona Masuri rice or any basmati rice. This tastes better. Basmati rice is good for biryani. We have 1.5 cup of red onion, sliced, thinly sliced, 1 long green chili, cut in the middle, 2 medium sized tomato, and we have around half cup of chopped cilantro, coriander leaves. For chicken biryani, only coriander leaf is enough. It adds taste. For if you are making mutton biryani, goat biryani, you can add mint leaf with that. For masala, what we have here is 2 bay leaves. We have 1 tablespoon each of garlic and ginger grated paste. We have 2 anise seed, 2 cardamom, small pieces of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. These are the things we are going to fry with the onion. And we have turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder. You can add more if you like it spicy. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. And with that we are going to add garam masala, half spoon. Garam masala is nothing but powdered form of these 4 ingredients. You can add garam masala powder or you can skip it since you have this, but adding garam masala will give more aroma. We are going to start cooking. To start, set the instant pot in saute mode and let's add oil for frying onion and other masalas. We will add oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Once butter is melted and oil is hot, we will start adding ilachi and other things. Now the oil is hot, we will start adding one by one the cloves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, anise seed and fennel seeds, black pepper. So we are going to fry this for 10-15 seconds in butter and oil. Now we can add the bay leaves and green chili. Now we can add the onion. Onion needs to be fried very well. It has to be light brown. Sauteing is not just enough. It has to be fried. For biryani, any biryani, onion needs to be fried very well. While sauteing onion, we can add pinch of salt to make the process faster. Little bit of salt we are going to add. Just to that's it. So this will make the onion cooking faster. So onion needs to be cooked very well. Once onion is cooked, we are going to add other ingredients, ginger paste, garlic paste and rest of them. The onion needs to be fried very well for biryani. The secret of biryani is fried onion. Still it's getting cooked. We increase the saute time more on the instant pot. With the star anise, cardamom, it smells good. It needs to be cooked a little more, like another 2 minutes. Increase the saute time for another 5 minutes. Onion is fried and as you see it's brownish. Now we add the ginger paste, garlic paste. And let it fry for 1 minute. Then we add tomato, cilantro. Once you add the ginger paste, garlic paste, it will get stuck to the bottom. So it is good to add tomato within 30 seconds. Tomato will release water and it will be easy. It won't stick anymore. We can add chopped cilantro. Like I said, you can add mint also, but for chicken biryani, mint is not a must. Now we add the cube chicken. We are making chicken biryani with a chicken breast. You can use drumsticks. You can use thigh pieces also. This is white meat. Red meat chicken will be more, it will have more chicken flavor. Let us fry this for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then we'll start adding the dry masalas. Now the chicken is fried for 1 minute. We will start adding dry ingredients. Turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder and quarter teaspoon garam masala. And we are going to fry this with the chicken and onion, everything. Already you get the biryani flavor here. Now we will add washed basmati rice, 1.5 cup to this once it is fried. We are going to, after the rice is added, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. The chicken is fried very well for 2 minutes. It's not cooked fully, but it just fried. Now we add the washed basmati rice. You can soak it for 5 minutes. That will make the cooking faster. We are adding 1.5 cup of long grain basmati rice. Now we add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add less or even more depending upon your taste. Sorry. So we are adding 1 teaspoon. If required, we can add more later. For 1.5 cup of rice, 1 teaspoon salt should be good. Instant pot is in saute mode. Still we are frying. Rice, chicken, everything is fried for 2 minutes. Now we add water. For 1.5 cup of rice, we are adding 2.5 to 3 cups of water. If you have soaked rice, 2.5 cup of water is enough. That's it. Now we are going to pressure cook this in instant pot for 10 minutes and chicken biryani is ready. Easy, one shot, one pot chicken biryani. Now put the lid. Change the setting to pressure cook. 9 minutes. And chicken biryani would be ready. While chicken biryani is getting cooked in instant pot, we will make the onion raita. Onion raita goes very well with chicken biryani. There is a secret to make perfect onion raita for biryani. Let's do that. We have half a cup of thinly sliced onion, red onion. You can use yellow onion too. And we have around half a cup of yogurt, homemade whole milk yogurt. And the secret is to make onion raita, soak the onion in hot water for 10 seconds. This will take the intense onion flavor out of it. This needs to be done for making good onion raita. In 10 seconds, remove the water. Onion should not be cooked. It is not boiling water, it is just hot water. Remove the onion, put it back in the bowl. Add little bit of salt and pepper, less than quarter teaspoon, just sprinkle some, and add yogurt to it, curd. That's it, onion raita is ready. You can add more curd, yogurt if you would like. You can make cucumber raita for chicken biryani or spinach raita. Spinach raita is healthy. You can find the recipe in the description section. To garnish this, you can add chopped cilantro, just little bit. We can add more yogurt if you would like. Onion raita for chicken biryani. After the chicken biryani is cooked, we need to wait for 5-10 minutes to release the pressure. Once the pressure is gone, we can take out the chicken biryani. Chicken biryani cooked in instant pot. We waited for around 7 minutes before we opened the lid to release the pressure. Chicken biryani. The aroma is so good. Chicken biryani is ready, cooked in instant pot. One shot chicken biryani.